on YouTube, and I'm showing you something on Skyrim. As you can see, I've got no magic now. If you zoom in or the full screen, you'll see I have no magic now. If you can get closer to the bottom, this is actually and literally infinite telekinesis. Not sure how or why, but apparently there's a glitch, which means adapt, conjuration modes, and then just go to destruction modes, keep on switching from that. And make sure you get the cast iron blood, because I think that's the only thing that you can actually use that for. Other stuff, maybe, and as you can see, I hope you all enjoyed this video. It took me a while to find this, but this may be a glitch or cheat, whatever you want to call it, and this opens up your alteration pretty fast. Alright, well, I hope all of you enjoyed the video. This is what it's going to be. Signing off.